Now, can you see this? This one is black, milk color, and orange color. Now, let me tell you what, don't mind my English, let me tell you wetin British government, United Kingdom, want to do in Nigeria. Listen, these Fulanis and Boko Haram in Nigeria, they have two missions. Their first mission is to Islamize Nigeria. That is number one. Number two, they don't want this country, Nigeria, to divide. That is why the British government, United Kingdom, are one of the people sponsoring this Fulani Boko Haram that are doing this in Nigeria. No matter Britain, they have colonized this nation and joined us together. Now, let me use this as a practical, as an example, for you to understand what I'm saying, and for you to understand what British government are doing in Nigeria, for you to understand what United Kingdom are doing in Nigeria. Now, number one, let me put it example. This white thing is Nigeria. Let me put it Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. They are in Nigeria. And if Igbo want to separate now, Igbo will go on their way. Yoruba, Hausa will go on their way. Yoruba will go. Hausa will go. They will separate themselves. Because Igbo people know themselves. Biafra people, they know themselves. Hausa people, they know themselves. Yoruba people, they know themselves. So Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, three in Nigeria. So United Kingdom, they don't want this country to divide. That is why they brought this Fulani to come. I will explain everything to you. You understand what I'm saying. White thing, this white plate is Nigeria. They are in Nigeria. No matter Britain, they have colonized this nation, join us together. Even though if Biafra people won't go now, they can separate themselves. If Hausa people want to go, they will separate themselves. What they call them Aliwa or something like that. If Oduduwa want to separate, Oduduwa will separate themselves. They are in Nigeria. But let me tell you the reason British government, United Kingdom, the reason they are sponsoring this Fulani and Boko Haram in Nigeria. Let me tell you the reason. Do you know that Britain, United Kingdom, these people, they don't want this nation to divide. They don't want this nation to divide. That is why they are bringing this Fulani and all these foreigners to come to occupy this country. Now listen, let me tell you. So as you see this nation now, if these regions want to separate, they can separate because they know each other. They can separate. They can separate. But let me tell you the reason United Kingdom, Britain are sponsoring this Fulani and Boko Haram in Nigeria because they don't want Nigeria to divide. During the Biafran War, you know that United Kingdom, they back Nigeria, they send them weapons and everything to make sure that this country no divide because of the money they are getting in this country. So now they know that this nation will divide very soon. That is why they started this trouble that is going on in Nigeria. So that these people, they want to bring Fulanis to come to take over Nigeria. Now have you seen it? Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, see Fulani. Britain want to bring Fulani in Nigeria. They want to bring Fulani in Nigeria. They want to bring foreigners, not only Fulani, they want to bring them in Nigeria. So that now, when this Fulani now, when all the Igbo, we give them land. Igbo, we give the Fulani land, all the Igbo land. Hausa, we give them land, all the Hausa land. Yoruba, we give them land, all the Yoruba land. You know, say, both Akwa Ibom, every tribe in Nigeria, we give these people land, Fulani. And when they give them this land, all of us will become one. Now listen, when all of us will become one, now they will bring all their brothers and sisters in different parts of Africa, they will come to Nigeria and they will occupy Nigeria. And when they listen, this white plate is Nigeria. Now let's watch this video. Fulani have come to Nigeria. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Igbo in Nigeria. Hausa. Just watch the video. Yoruba. Now, can you separate this thing? They have joined everybody together, both Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Fulani, because Fulani, they don't get land all over Nigeria. So they have joined us together now. And this thing, wait, let me put this thing in tumbler. Let me put it in glass so that you understand what I'm saying. Now listen to it. Now, have you seen it? Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Fulani, they don't come together as one. Because when they will give these people land all over Nigeria, when they will give them land all over Nigeria, time will come when they will become the governor of the state where they don't give the land. Maybe in Anambra State, in future, one Fulani man will become the governor of Anambra State in future. In future, one Fulani man will become the governor of Lagos State. In future, I'm telling you what will happen in the next 50 years or in the next 30 years. Because they have joined us together, they have brought us together. So, and when they will come to stay in this nature, all the states in Nigeria, they will have their king. They will have their king and their governor. So when time will come, maybe in the next 50 years, in the next 70 years, in the next 30 years, in the next 100 years, Igbo people may say, we want Biafra. We don't need one Nigeria again. How can you people separate? Because they have brought us together. We don't become one. They cannot separate because all over the land of Igbos, Fulani have their own state. They have their own state there. So they have joined us together. Like they have joined us together. So as they join us together, the country will not divide anymore. Because Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Fulani, Ijaw people, Akwa Ibom, all both Benue State, all of them, they are inside this thing. So they cannot separate anymore. Because Fulani get land, then they for Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, then they everywhere. Then they all the tribe in Nigeria. If you say then they like North, you go there different. If you say then they like only one side of Nigeria, Nigeria can divide. Britain know what they are doing. So they want to give them land all over Nigeria so that they will join us together so this country will not divide anymore. Tomorrow, if Biafra say they won't go, we have joined, they have mixed us with Fulanis. We cannot divide anymore. This is what Britain are doing because British government, United Kingdom, they have known that Nigeria will divide, but they don't want Nigeria to divide because of what they are getting in Nigeria. But what shall we profit a man to gain the world and lose him soul? See it here. Igbo cannot separate. But before, Igbo they separate, Hausa they separate, Yoruba they separate. But now, they don't carry one group of people, come join them together. Listen, if they don't want this thing I'm saying, if what I'm saying is a lie, land is there for not too much. They will give the land, they will say that place, feed their cow. But they don't need that and they need all the state in Nigeria to show you they want to join us together so that we cannot divide again. This is a plan of British government and this is the plan of United Kingdom. This is the plan this is the Bible says in the book of Lamentation chapter 3 verse 37. Who is him? Who is him that said, and it coming to pass? It coming to pass when the Lord commanded it not. All the plan of United Kingdom, all the plan of Britain, and all the plan of wicked politicians in Nigeria, sponsoring this Fulani and Boko Haram in Nigeria, all their plan, their mission will not stand in the name of Jesus. Their mission will not stand in the mighty name of Jesus. See, this thing I do is not a sacrifice or it's not a ritual. It's not, no. I'm not doing ritual and I'm not doing any sacrifice. I want to use it to do an example, like practical, so that you people will understand where I'm passing my message. That is why I bring these different colors, to use it to pass my message. To use it to pass my message so that you will understand what I'm teaching. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.
Thank you.